Have you ever walked across a beautifully patterned rug and wondered where it came from, or why some rugs cost a few $100s while others sell for thousands? To the untrained eye, a rug might just be floor decor, but to a collector, it's history, craftsmanship, culture, and investment woven together. Welcome to HowExpert Tip of the Day, where we bring you real-world tips from our how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. If you want to learn even more in-depth strategies, examples, and techniques on this topic, check out HowExpert Guide to Rug Collecting, available at Amazon, Audible, Barnes & Noble, Google, Kobo, Apple, Spotify, and all major bookstores as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook. At its core, rug collecting is the art of identifying, acquiring, and preserving rugs that carry aesthetic, cultural, and historical value. These aren't just textiles to cover a floor, they're handcrafted works of art that reflect centuries of tradition. Today, we'll break down what makes a rug collectible, how value is determined, and what you need to understand to appreciate and build a meaningful collection. The first key idea is origin matters. Many collectible rugs come from specific regions known for distinct weaving traditions, such as Persia, Turkey, the Caucasus, and Central Asia. Each region has signature motifs, color palettes, and weaving techniques. For example, Persian rugs are often recognized for intricate floral patterns and detailed medallions, while tribal rugs may feature bold geometric designs. Knowing the origin helps you understand the rug's cultural story and potential value. The takeaway: a rug's birthplace shapes its identity. Second, materials and craftsmanship define quality. Handmade rugs are typically woven from wool, silk, or a blend of natural fibers. The quality of wool, the tightness of knots, and the precision of the weave all influence durability and worth. A hand-knotted rug with a high knot count per square inch often indicates finer detail and greater craftsmanship. Machine-made rugs, while attractive, don't carry the same collectible value. The quick insight: craftsmanship is the backbone of collectability. Another essential concept is age and condition. Antique rugs, often defined as being over 100 years old, can be highly desirable, especially if they remain in good condition. However, age alone doesn't guarantee value. Fading, wear, repairs, or structural damage can significantly impact worth. Interestingly, some signs of age, like natural dye patina, add character and authenticity. The key lesson is balance. Collectors seek rugs that show history without being compromised. Design and symbolism also play a powerful role. Many traditional rugs contain symbolic motifs representing protection, fertility, prosperity, or spirituality. These designs aren't random. They reflect the beliefs and stories of the weavers. Understanding these patterns deepens appreciation and allows collectors to see beyond surface beauty. A memorable takeaway: every pattern tells a story woven into the fabric. Market demand is another factor to consider. Rug values fluctuate based on trends, collector interest, and rarity. Some styles may surge in popularity, while others remain niche. Attending auctions, visiting specialty dealers, and observing pricing patterns help collectors develop market awareness. The insight here is that collecting requires both aesthetic appreciation and informed research. Restoration versus preservation is also an important decision point. Minor repairs performed by skilled professionals can extend a rug's life, but over-restoration may reduce authenticity. Cleaning methods must be appropriate for the rug's fibers and dyes to prevent damage. Proper storage, away from excessive sunlight and moisture, preserves both color and structure. The quick tip: treat collectible rugs as heirlooms, not just household items. Another vital element is buying from reputable sources. Whether purchasing from established dealers, auctions, or private collectors, transparency about origin, age, and condition protects your investment. Documentation and expert opinions add credibility. Building relationships with knowledgeable sellers can open doors to rare finds and trusted guidance. Imagine a collector who discovers a hand-knotted Persian rug at an estate sale. They examine the knot density, check for natural dyes, inspect the edges for structural integrity, and research the pattern's regional background. After confirming authenticity, they carefully clean and display the rug in a low-traffic area, preserving its beauty while appreciating its story. Over time, their collection grows, not randomly, but thoughtfully. When you step back, rug collecting is about more than ownership. It's about honoring craftsmanship passed down through generations. It's about recognizing artistry in everyday objects and preserving cultural heritage for the future. A great rug doesn't just lie on the floor, it carries history beneath your feet. For even more tips, techniques, and practical examples on this topic, check out HowExpert Guide to Rug Collecting, available at Amazon, Audible, Barnes & Noble, Google, Kobo, Apple, Spotify, and all major bookstores as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.